Hello everyone, welcome back to TJ's Life, and I am TJ. Today I will be coming back to you with a weekly check-in covering April 7th through the 13th. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber or returning viewer, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and get everything set up and get started, okay? Okay guys, so what we're going to do today, like I said, we're going to cover from the 7th through the 13th. I have everything plugged in here. So all I'm going to do is add all the things up and put it in here on my for my weekly check-in. So let me grab my calculator here. So the first thing that we're going to go over are expenses. And I only had one expense for this week, which was my phone bill. So I'm going to put 55 here. Next, we are going to add up my auto pay. So on the 7th, I spent $21.36. On the 9th, $16 for Barnes & Noble. Afterpay was $10.74. And that is all. So it came to $48.10. As far as grocery went, on the 12th, on the 12th I spent $12.13, and then on the 11th I spent $22.95, and that's a total of $35.08. There was zero eating out, so no eating out. Miscellaneous. Now, this is when I definitely have to go back and check this, because I know I spent some money. Get the things here. I'm so sorry. Alright, so starting, and I've been writing everything down in here. So we're going to go to, let's see, the 7th. Okay, nothing on the 7th. About the 8th, okay. On the 8th, I went to Circle K. Excuse my nails, guys. I just haven't done anything with my nails. Circle K, $41.39 on the 8th. Oh no, I got it right there. I'm tripping. Okay, so well, that's it then. Okay, so $41.39 on the 8th. All right. $41.39, and then unbudgeted, just $10. Okay, and like I said, this is just going to be a really short, quick video. If I didn't say it, that's what I'm saying now. Did you guys catch the eclipse? How did you feel about that? I thought it was lovely. It was the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Please leave a comment below. Let me know if you took any pictures or anything. Okay, so now we're going to subtract these numbers here. Alright, so 601 minus 55, 546. And then, so I had 305 minus 4810, 257.78. So then 265.63 minus 35.08, 230.55. And eating out stays the same because I didn't spend anything. And then 575.63 minus 41.39 equals 534.24. And then $10 out of unbudgeted, that's going to leave me with 130. And then I'm just going to bring these numbers here. And that'll be for next week. And I know I'll be spending some stuff out of these amounts here because it's pay week. 163, 14, 5, 34, 24, and 130. Okay, and these are my totals to carry over for next week. And so we're done with that. I do need to go back in here though. Go to, okay, all of that's done. And we need to update this here. So I'm going to add this up here. This is basically my carryover. So 185, 11, whoops, 11 plus 21469 equals, hold on, 185, 11 plus 21469 equals 399.80. Now I need to add these up here. So 2136 plus 55 plus 16 plus 1074 equals 103.10. And then what I do is I subtract this number from this top number here. 399.80 minus 103.10, 296.70. And then I do need to pull this back out because I got to put my totals here. So what I said, okay, so grocery, I spent $35.08, miscellaneous, $41.39, eating out, 0, and then $10 unbudgeted. Okay, then I'm just going to total this up here. 35.08 plus 41.39 plus 10, 86.47. 86.47. Okay, minus. Okay, so 296.70 minus 86.47 equals 210.23. And this balance here is going to carry over for next week. So sorry guys, this thing is big. Alright. 210.23 roll over. And that's what I'm going to put right here. 210.63, and I'll put it in the budgeted part. And then next is going to be my income, 1,050.84. And then put Mark's name down for his half of the bills, and I'll put this other here. And this is for payday is the 17th. 4/7/24. And then let's see, what do I have coming out next week? So we got water, fuel, transportation means public transportation. and put 417. Water bill. I think it's 95. I'm budgeting 95. 50 for fuel. 25 for transportation. And then I have my Google Play. It's $5.33. Max 1707. Stamps.com 1919. I'll put the dates in later. Dish budget 224. Hulu. I think it was. I'm just gonna do 9 because I think it was 8 something. YouTube. $14.93. See Google storage. $212. Canva. $12.99. And then gas and electric. So electric was probably $75 and $100 for gas. Where I'm at. And then HP ink. HP ink. $21.34. And for now, I'm just gonna put what I'm budgeting down. I'll put the dates in later. And then I always do grocery, miscellaneous, eating out, and unbudgeted. Okay, let's see here. I think I'm gonna add these up right here. So we got 95. Hold on. 95. Whoops. 95 plus 50, 25, 533, 1707, 1919, 2024, $9, 14.93, 212, 12.99, 100, 75, and 21.34. 670.97. 7. And then gotta bring my balance over. So for grocery, I'll be bringing over $230.55. Miscellaneous $534.24. Eating out $163.14 and $130 budgeted. And I'm not going to total this up. This is the more important part right here for me. But that's it. If you stayed to the end, I want to say thank you so much. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers. And if you still haven't subscribed yet, how about you just go ahead and hit the subscribe bell and then ring the bell notification one more time, just so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.